Good typing, Matthew. Is J-U. Go ahead. S-C. Just. M. M. Finish your thought. Nope, you finish your thought. You're doing great.
Andrew, you're doing great too. Very, very
This is
good.
just Y. A. Keep going. A. Keep going. Keep going. Let's see. C. A. Keep going. N. D. Finish. 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 This is just my C-A-N-D. Y. Keep going. N. O. N. O. What? T. Not. That's what you're doing. Not. This is just my candy. Not. Y. O. Keep going. Y. You have Y-O. Stick with this hand. Y. Finish. Finish your thought. You're doing great. Not Y-O. Finish your thought. 1, 2 more, 3 more letters.
Andrew's going to give it to you when you're done. Come on.
Okay, fine. You can have one since you're doing such a good job. That doesn't mean
All right,
you're
let's
done.
finish what you had to say, and then Andrew's got more
This
for
is
you.
just my candy, not Y-O. Keep going.
So ever get a Smartie ever again.
Y-O-U. R. Not yours. A.